In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new role to your LinkedIn profile. Whether you've just landed a new job or picked up a freelance position, keeping your LinkedIn profile up to date is essential for maintaining your professional presence. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure your profile accurately reflects your current professional journey. To get started, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and head directly to linkedin.com. Once there, you'll find the sign-in page awaiting you. LinkedIn offers a few options for signing in. You can log in using your Google or Apple credentials, or traditionally with your email address and password. Ensure you have your login details handy for a swift entry into your LinkedIn account. In cases where you've set up two-factor authentication, LinkedIn will prompt you to verify your login. Typically, this involves receiving a code on your phone. It's a straightforward process and a good security measure to keep your account safe from unauthorized access. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be directed straight to your LinkedIn profile page. Now that you're on your profile, locate your profile picture in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll need to select View My Profile. This action takes you to a more detailed view of your LinkedIn page, where you can see all your professional information at a glance. Next, you'll want to find the pencil icon. It's positioned on the left side of your profile banner. Clicking this icon allows you to start editing your profile information. Here you'll see a variety of options, but for now we're focusing on adding a new position. Look for the section that says Add New Position and click on it to proceed. A form will pop up where you can enter all the relevant details of your new role. This includes the title of your position, the company you're working with, the location, and any other pertinent information that paints a full picture of what this new role involves. Take your time to fill this out as accurately and thoroughly as possible, because this information helps others understand your professional skills and experience better. Once you've filled out the required details to your satisfaction, you'll notice a Save button, usually located towards the bottom of this form. Clicking Save finalizes this process by adding the new role to your LinkedIn profile. And there you have it, a brand new role now reflects on your LinkedIn profile, showcasing your evolving career. Keeping your profile current is a fantastic way to network effectively and demonstrate to others the path you're on professionally. Thanks for joining me today, and all the best with your LinkedIn updates.